Hi, my name's Brennan. Today I'm going to review what's inside these two fake Pokemon decks. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get right into the deck. So we have a Manicure, an Urshifu, a Single Strike Urshifu VMAX, a Corviknight VMAX, a Galarian Slowpoke, a Vivillon, a Energy Psychic Energy, a Rapid Strike Swells, a Seadra, a Primeape, a Lickitung, a Flapple, a Baltoy, a Carbane, a Leaf Energy, a Buffalo, a Rapid Strike Energy, a Mr. Mime, and a DD, other energy, a Chalo, a energy, a V, a Urshifu V, a Fairfish, and an energy recycler. See how many cards are there. $25 cards. So let's see the next deck there. Let's see if there's less or more cards. But first, I'm going to show the cards inside this deck. So a Craft Focus, a Rapid Strike Mustard, but if you can't see, I'm going to give you a close up. A Latra, a Darand, a Andy, Tabacoco V, Rapid Strike Urshifu V Max, Single Strike Urshifu V, Hoten Up, a Coco, a Energy, Fire Energy, Water Energy, a Crawlercan, a Jalinson, a Brushish, a Galarian Slowpoke, a Stoutland V, Turnet Up, Pearly, Lickitung again, Pharaoh, and a Squirrel. Let's see how many cards are there. I think they put the deck randomly because this has 24 cards. This has 25. The other deck has 25 cards. But if you couldn't see the cards, I'll give you a picture at the end. But this is the end of the video, and bye for now. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to this video. Bye.